Welcome to Crafting with Bonnie. My name is Charles, and today I'll be doing a flip through of this cute junk journal here. And as always, I will be taking measurements first, and then we'll do the flip through. We'll go with the width of this first. It's like 5 3/4 by 8 3/4. Yeah, about 8 3/4. And the thickness of this one, hold on, let me see here, is 1 3/4. Okay. Now, the cover is paper, but it's been Mod Podged, and the paper used is in this journal is mixed, but some of it came from scrapbooking with me some time ago. And as you can see, it has a lace butterfly and some additional lace on it. Yeah, and it is stitched. Okay. And of course it ties here. I didn't do the dramatic untying of the journal, but yeah, there you go. So we'll do a brief flip through of this journal, junk journal. It has tags and cards and some ledger paper there. It is a cute journal. It's functional. Plenty of writing space. And it comes with this bag here. It goes into the bag so it can be stored away, for privacy. Lace. Here's a journaling card, if you will. I'm still trying to get used to some of the terminology of these pieces, so if I mislabel something wrong, go easy on me. Tags and such. Here's some vellum, some cute birds. 2 doilies. This one, this envelope window tucks, if you will. And there is a dangle there of a butterfly. And a little tag that says joy. And this envelope has something in it. Not sure what it is. Okay. Going through. More tags, of course. This is like a writing pad, and it comes out, see? It just fits over this paper here. You just slide it in, and you can take it out. There's lace. Lace. Again, see all of the nice writing space. And some book pages about friendship. Just a bit of this and a bit of that. There's those 2 doilies again. Dragonfly. The vellum. an old piece of a music page right there. Oh, so here is another type of textile covered envelope. And this slides off. It has a cute little butterfly right there. It's a wooden butterfly that's been colored. And this opens up, and this is a paper inside here. Obviously it's been stitched around. And of course you can write on the back of that if you want. Okay, that's that. Put this back in here. Well, I'll set that to the side for now. And that is the end of the flip through in this journal. It is cute. It is substantial. It's well done, well made. Not well done, but well made. And it, of course, again, it comes with this bag that's been made by Bonnie as well. Also, it comes with this. I believe this is a type of a pendant, and the stone could be malachite, I believe. I see some green in there. And this is, I believe, either from the 80s or the 90s. Okay, and that comes with it. And this envelope here comes with all kinds of cards and butterflies and pretty neat things. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe, thank you. Have a beautiful day.